Yes. So what are we saying? I can use my blank page. We have the activity. So we have the activity A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So for this one, what are we having as in the other aspect? The other aspect that we have for this one, we have the activity, then we have the predecessor, okay, so A, that one, B, A, right, A, C, B, E, F. You've seen that information, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's do the network diagram. Network diagram using activity on node. Okay, you know what it means? Activity on what?
You know what?
So what is happening is there is no activity that is done before A and no activity that is done before B. So we have our A in this case. Okay, so we have our A. We also have our B. A and B. So, okay. Then after B, there is C. After B, there is what? There is C.
C.
Are we together? After B, there is what?
C.
Then after A, there is D. After A, there is what?
D.
D. So don't have to worry much about this course. It's a baby to nurse. So there is D here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then what else? What happens? After A, there is D. After A and C.
There
After
is E.
A, this guy and C,
And C. There is E.
there is E, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for the sake of the other one, I just hope the other person is also following. Are we together?
Yes, we are following.
Uh-huh. All right. So you don't have to worry much about anything. So this is what is happening. So now let's move on. After what now? After B, there is F. After B here, there is what?
F.
There is also F. Okay? Then after E and F, after E and F, there is what?
G.
There is what?
G.
After E and F, there is G.
G.
You understand what I mean?
Yes.
So that is the network diagram. here, AD,
Mm-hmm.
D has nowhere else to go because there's just after A, there's D, that's all. So D ends just there. From this,
Can I add something to the
yes.
diagram?
Uh-huh.
Please go down. So for the sake of class, Prof said, go to the diagram, the one that you drew.
Uh-huh. Yes, yes.
So the one that you drew, the network.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So Prof said, for the ones that have nowhere to go, you connect it to the last node called end.
Hey, this is what I wanted to just to tell you to say. This one has nothing to go. So
Not to G, but to one individual node
so
called
yes,
end.
okay, we can just put listen, not to this one. We can put it to any other. No, because it's not there's no information that D after G because you can violate everything.
So it's going to a node called end where
Yes.
G and D will connect.
Yes. So
With
if you put this one to G, then it will be wrong. So this one you can just put the end one. Okay. So
and yes, and even G is supposed to connect also to that end, according to Prof.
yeah, but it's okay. Okay, this one is okay. This one is ending, no problem. Right?
I'm just saying, according to him, Kai is the marker, just for the sake of Prof. That's what
Okay.
I'm saying.
Okay, no,
And then for the sake of Prof also, A and B should connect to a node called start.
no problem. But we can't be penalized, but it's okay. I'm just considerate because of what you are saying. Otherwise, even what I drew, you can't mark you wrong. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I was just adding on.
No, it's okay. I'm also accepting that. But otherwise, even if you leave out that, there's no problem. So here you can just put you can just put start here, okay? If there's nothing, you get my point. Are you with me? Are you getting me?
Yes.
Then here you don't even have to put anything. You just say this one. We can even do it this way to say this one and this one can be connected to end. Okay, so don't put anything here. Just say a end. Okay. So you just write end here. Is that okay with you? So that you close up the network. The essence is just to close up the network that doesn't look like it's ambiguous. You know what I mean? So we have this network diagram, but we haven't finished anything. So let's do the calculate now the project duration for each activity. We now calculate, okay, project duration for each activity using the formula. So our mu is equal to O plus 4ml plus P over 6. What is O? Optimistic time, right? Then the other one is most likely time. Most likely. Then P is what? Pessimistic. Are we together now? So what is activity A? Activity A, let's now solve. Here we can calculate using the same formula. Let's start calculate here so that we get the answer. Using the formula. Okay, which formula are we using?
O plus 4m.
So it will be O plus
4m plus
P over 6. So let's multiply for A. Are you able to see this one here so that we can get the values straight away here? What is for A? Give me. Let's find here to say duration.
27. Okay, wait a bit. Let me just confirm.
Okay. No problem. But are you getting somewhere with this course? You are able to
At
follow?
least. At least.
Your confidence levels are now, okay, I've given you 5 minutes. I'll hold it to you. Answer for me, A up to G. So for the sake of the other person,
Okay.
but yeah, so that I see how we are progressing. I'm auditing you now. So
Okay.
I've given you 5, is it 5 or 3 minutes?
5.
5, okay, right. Okay.
Okay. All right.
The first answer is what? 4? The other one,
3.5.
3.5,
5.5.
5.5.
12.
Okay, so you're getting 12 for that one. Okay, 12. Then the other one.
6.5.
Yeah. All right. I'm happy that you are following.
And then 9.
But these workings that you are finding for these ones, you're supposed to show them in the working for the exam, right?
Yes.
You know what I mean.
Mm.
This is 9. Then the last one is what?
4.5.
Okay. All right. All those answers are correct. Thank you very much for giving me correct answers. You are following. I'm very much happy. So what next? You come and put here 4, 3.5, 5.5. What else?
12.
D is 12. E is 6.5. F is
5.
9. G is 4.5. So D is 12. Then E, 6.5.
6.5.
What else? F is 9. G is 4.5. So we go for finding various roots. Are we together? What is the first root? The first root will be A to D to end. A to D to end, right?
Mm.
Then the other one will be
A, D, A, E, G.
A, E, G. Then the other one,
B, C, E, G.
correct. The other one will be,
B, F, G.
I'm happy that the people are following. This course is very interesting. So A to D to end. Hello? 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 Are you there? Hello? Are you there? Can you get me? Can you get me?